Substitution method. Substitution method is one of the many methods that is used in working out the simultaneous equations. Today we want to look at this method, how it is applied, and at the end of it we'll appreciate. Welcome. Let us work it out together. So we have two equations. One is 8b plus 3t minus 475 is equals to 0. Another one is 4b plus 5t is equals to 325. So you realize that the first equation is different from the second equation in that we need to arrange these equations, the two equations, so that the unknowns are on the same side and those without unknowns are on the other hand. So let us begin. We have a solution here. We have solution. We have a solution here. So the first equation is 8b plus 3t. Now this one is equivalent to 475. The second equation is 4b plus 5t is equals to 325. Now this is going to be our equation 1, and then this is our equation 2. We have two equations. Now we are going to use substitution method. Substitution method, to substitute, it means to replace. So we are going to make either b or t the subject of the formula, and then we are going to replace whatever we get in the either in the first equation or in the second equation. I prefer that we use the second equation. So we have 4b plus 5t is equals to 325. We want to make b the subject, so we'll have 4b here is equals to 325. We take away 5t. For us to remain with b on the left hand side, we have to divide both sides by what? By 4. By 4. We divide through by what? By 4. So this one is going to give us b is equals to 325 over 4. Then we take away 5 over what? Over 4t. Now we call this one the third equation. So we are going to substitute b in equation 1 with 325 over 4 minus 5 over 4t. So we move to our first equation. Where we see b, we substitute with what we have found here. So we will say that 8, we open the bracket, our b is in fact 325 over 4, and then take away 5 over 4t, we close the bracket, then plus 3t is equals to what? Is equals to in fact 475. The next thing, we want to open the bracket, then so we'll have we are going to open the bracket. This one will cancel, so 2 times 3 25. This one is going to give us 650. You take away, this goes here 2 times, so 2 times 5 is going to give us in fact 10t is plus what? Plus 3t is equals to 475. 475. We put like terms together. So 650 will cross the equal sign. Then we remain here with the negative 10t plus 3t is equals to 475. This is a positive. When it goes to the other hand, it will change and becomes a negative, so minus 650. So this is in fact negative. This is negative 7t is equals to when you take away, that is 475 minus 650. 475 minus 650. Let me press my calculator very fast. So we are going to get let's see, for we have in fact 475, we take away 650, so the answer is negative 175. So we have negative 175. We divide both sides by negative 7 by negative 7. So t, a negative and negative will cancel, negative and negative will cancel. So the answer we divide by negative 7 is in fact it is going to give us t is equals to 25. Now that we have our t as 25, we go back to equation 3 whereby we had b is equals to 325 over 4 minus 5 over 4 t. Where we see t, we substitute where we see t, we replace with the 25. So b is going to be 325. We divide by 4. We take away 5 over 4. Then here it is 25. So this one is going to give us what? 325 over 4. We take away, this is in fact 125 over 4. So when you carry out the subtraction, you discover that your b is going to be, let's check out. So we have got 325